Redmi is soon expected to launch the Note 8 series in China, and today the CEO of Redmi revealed that the company is launching a 70-inch 4K TV in China on August 29. Now his replies to some comments asking about the Note 8 series hinted at the launch happening on the same day in China, but that's not yet confirmed. Anyways, we just got the real life image of Redmi Note 8 Pro, which shows a completely new design that Redmi is going for this time. This image was shared by a user on Vivo, and he claims that it is indeed the upcoming Redmi Note 8 Pro. So talking about the design that this image reveals, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has a glass back and a gradient design that is similar to the Redmi K20 series. This does give the Redmi Note 8 Pro a premium look and feel. There are quad cameras on the rear, and this time around Redmi went for a camera placement in the middle instead of the top left side like the Redmi Note 7 and Note 7 Pro. Now the three cameras are placed vertically together, and there is a fourth camera placed with the LED flash, which is most likely a depth sensor or a time of flight sensor. This camera placement is similar to what we saw in the video that Redmi posted on Vivo to show the production of its 64 megapixel camera phone. So it won't be wrong to assume that the Redmi Note 8 Pro is indeed the 64 megapixel camera phone from the company. The fingerprint scanner is placed on the rear, so there is no in-display fingerprint scanner. Now we can expect a full screen design since the CEO has suggested that the screen to body ratio is higher this time. But there is most likely a water drop notch with slimmer bezels all around than the Note 7 series. Well, that's what some sources have claimed. A couple of more hands-on images of the Redmi Note 8 Pro clearly show that there is a huge camera bump. But that's something we have on the Redmi Note 7 Pro as well, that features a 48 megapixel rear camera. Moreover, Redmi is not going to skip the headphone jack as that's present on the bottom alongside the USB Type-C port. The specifications are not yet known, but the CEO of Redmi said that the Redmi Note 8 series is all about the long battery life, better camera performance, better feel in hand and higher screen to body ratio. It is still a mystery if Redmi would opt for a Snapdragon SoC again or a MediaTek G90T processor. If it decided to go for the Snapdragon SoC, then there are two choices. Either the company can go for Snapdragon 710 or the Snapdragon 712. Now the Realme 5 Pro is launching in India soon with Snapdragon 712 SoC, so Redmi should go for at least the same chipset for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So what do you think of the Redmi Note 8 Pro and its design? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.